guys, look at this. So we're on this street, actually walking where the incident happened here in Nice, and there's still teddy bears and flowers laying along here. This is so sad. Every time I walk past it, it just really breaks my heart. So yeah, that's where we are right now. So hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's our final day here in Nice, and we are walking along the famous street and the prettiest view in the world. Well, yes, the prettiest view for me. The prettiest view I've ever seen. It's a little bit chilly right now, so we're in sweaters, and Tyler is chilling. Where is he? There he is. Say hello, Papa. Say hello. Say hi. He's just chilling, right? Babe, do you care to say hello?
I said hello, no?
No, you did not.
Hi everybody, happy Saturday. Like I say, it's our last day here, so we're just trying to enjoy. We don't have any house to see this afternoon, so we're just enjoying that.
Oh, there's a wedding passing across the street. That's why you hear those two things. So we think that house hunting went well, keeping our fingers crossed that we got the one that we really like, right babe? So we chose something that we really like, and we're hoping that we get it.
Hopefully. So.
Yeah, it have a really nice view, and I think we can see ourselves living there for a few years, right babe?
I see myself.
So let's see how that goes. But you guys, check out our view. Let me give you guys really a spin of this amazing view that we are. Just check this out. The airport is just right down there, and this street is, I don't even know how much meter long this street is, but it's never ending. I can see as far in front of me and as far behind me, but I'm just gonna show you guys what this looks like, how breathtaking that looks. And that's a full circle I just made. And the place that we chose is about it's about 10 minutes drive from here.
Oh, you're trying.
The apartment that we chose is about 10 minutes drive from here, and I see the awesome beach view from our balcony, and it just simply amazing. So hopefully we get that. And yeah, like we said earlier, it's our last day, and we were trying to restaurant hop to go to different restaurants since yesterday. The food is really good so far, so that's not bad. And we're going to try to see if we can go to a different restaurant for dinner this afternoon, this evening, tonight, or whatever time we decide to have dinner, right? I think we're heading down by the beach. Wait up! You can't leave me. Yes, baby. Yes, boo boo. and we're just gonna chill until the next about an hour and a half, and then we're gonna find a nice restaurant and have dinner. And yeah, just relaxing out here. The sunset is about to come up. I don't know if you can see it peeking up over there. Such a beautiful view just coming over the skies. Amazing. So relaxing to just sit along the beach and just watch the waves and just chill. It's relaxing. It's really relaxing. So yeah, we're just gonna have dinner in a few, and we'll catch you guys later. Bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. You guys, check out this sunset slowly peeking up. This is just simply amazing. It is so beautiful. It's dinner time, you guys. I'm having this yummy salmon with rice and veggies. Babe, what you having?
Some beef, some rice.
It also tastes yummy. And of course we're having our favorite babe, but of course babe couldn't wait, so he drank off his own already. And the good old bread. Tell what you having, baby? You having fries? Yes? Alright you guys, so it's dinner time and we're gonna grab, so this is we catch you guys then. Bye.